How to delete all reposts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now go to the Reposts section in your feed. Here you can view all your reposts on TikTok. Open the repost you want to delete from here. Then tap on the edit icon as shown. Tap on Reposted. Now tap on Remove Repost. You have now successfully removed this repost. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Once you are here, tap on Feed and Playback. Then tap on Feed. Here, tap on Other. If your problem is still not resolved, then tap on No. After that, tap on Need More Help. You can now send a message to TikTok support. Go to the text bar and type in your problem. For example, ask for help on how to remove all of your reposts at once. Then send the message and wait for their response. Following these steps, you can easily delete all reposts on TikTok.